What's up, everyone? It's your girl Yola here, back again for another video that I started without my glasses like I can see y'all. There you are. Hello. So we are back again for another video. I'm looking a little bummy, but I'm literally doing a get ready with me video today. I'm just gonna put on a little face so I can get ready to start my day and go out and do all the stuff that I ain't got no money to do. Okay. But nevertheless, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so every time that I upload, you are the first one to know. Okay, y'all gonna bless me. Anyways, but make sure that you also share my my videos with your friends, with your family. Shoot, send it to your enemies if you think that they weak and you want them to waste their time, friend. I don't have friend. Look. Anyway, blessed art me. Help me today, please help me. But I really enjoyed the palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. So today I wanted to just do like a little simple look with the Ace Beauty Starlit Dusk palette, and see if I can just create a little simple look with a few of the other things that I have in front of me today, so that I don't go out into this world looking like this. Okay. So let's get into this good video. First and foremost, if you don't know, your girl has got to do something with these brows. Because what we're not going to do is we're going outside into this world thinking that these is adequate. So I got the Benefit Super Brows Kit. And I actually did a little bit of a tutorial on my eyebrows. There is a video on my Instagram of me doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera right quick. And then we'll be right back to get up into that good palette. Okay? One sec. Be right back. Okay, your girl is back. She got some eyebrows on. Changed the little shirt up. Put a little wig on so that I can look like something when I leave about this good house. Okay? Yeah. So, I had some tea that I needed to, like, I guess, refill with y'all. So I was talking about little R. Kelly and his little girlfriends in the last little video when I was talking about my little tea, honey, which I wish I had me some tea with me. But I was wrong. If you don't remember, in that video, I put the audio of the fight up there, but there was no video to see who was actually getting whooped. So I was assuming that little Zaria or little Zaya, whatever little name, Azariel, something friend, the girl name. But I'm thinking that she had got told. Well, the audio just didn't show us what we needed to see. But that's all right. I got your back, though. Roll it.
You have to go. Let her go, Chuck. Let her go, Chuck. We're not gonna get in the middle. Let her go, Chuck. Let her go. You're not about to get hurt. All right. Stop. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. You crazy bitch. Stop. You crazy. You just made me know how to fight. Stop. Hey. Come on. Take her inside. Put your ass in jail for inside, please. You go to jail for assault. You came out of here. Stupid bitch. Wow. Call my phone, Shabazz. Just let Call my phone before they go downstairs. Call my phone.
I know, right? You over here shooketh, honey. Over here shaking in your boots. Over here quivering. Over here don't know what to do about your life. You don't know. You didn't know what you just saw. Rewind and watch it again, friend. Because I was like, oh, little Miss Mama's got herself told, honey. I was wrong. It's okay, though. Sometimes stuff like that happens. But I'm going to do a quick little get out the house look right quick with this beautiful palette that we just got in our January BoxyCharm. And I am going to bring you guys just a little bit closer to me. Hold up. How y'all doing? Get a little up close and personal here. You know what I'm saying? So we can see what's going on. Watch my little baby. Oh, baby. Oh, my gosh. Skin look good, but these eyes. Let me stop. Okay. So while I'm gonna start with this color here. It's called Sunset Rose, and for me, I always start with a lighter shade, and then I transition down. And let's stop lying. Not always, but for this look, that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm literally gonna start by patting this in this up in my bone like this, friend. You see how I'm patting it? Pat, 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 pat. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend it. Okay, and now this is going to be my, I guess what they like to call my transition color. I call it my base color. Okay, I call it my starting point. That's what I call it. You know, it's not a dark color, it's just a starting color to see where we gonna go with this look. Because let me tell you how I have no idea. Not no idea. I'm looking at this palette, all these pretty colors in it, and I have no idea. Like what? I don't know. I don't put a little shimmer, little shine, little gleam, me, moaning, hing. So I also wanted to hop in here and talk to y'all right quick about the video that I tried to upload a couple days ago. And I went onto all my social media platforms and was like, my video's up, swipe up, or go into my bio. What fell? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. You see it? It's missing. Literally, I'm sitting here talking to you and it just popped out. Like, hold on one second. Look, it was on the floor. The little color just completely popped out. Never have I ever had a palette where my color just magically popped out just that easily. Y'all need to do something about y'all glue. Whatever adhesive y'all using, it's not very good. It's not. It just popped out, and all I was doing was sitting here talking like this. So y'all gonna have to do something about that. But anyway, back to this good look, okay? Okay. So I don't know. I kind of want to do something not like super bright, but like brighter. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a little cold outside, so everybody might be a little down. So your girl gonna go outside. She gonna be like, "How you doing?" So I'm gonna go in with this crimson color. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna go in with this little crimson color right here, and I'm gonna start in my corner, and I'm gonna pat that in. I'm gonna get a little bit more. And I'm going to pat that into my corner. And I'm not going to take it all the way in. I'm just going to pat it here and then go halfway in. Just like that. And honestly, I'm learning that like doing the patting technique is definitely helping. You know, I'm sure that other people know this, but just helping for me to distribute more of that pigment onto my lid where I want it to. And then I'll buff it out, you know. But I'm trying to get it to stick to my makeup base. Well, I have concealer on so that my color can stay. Like I want it to be like that. Okay. And then I'm just going to blend that up and out a little bit, y'all. Out and like that is it. So far I would say that the palette is nice. It seems to be well pigmented from what I see, as you can see on my eye. So I have no complaints so far there. There's not a whole bunch of fallout either. I mean, within the pan there's fallout, but there's nothing falling on my cheeks or on my face or anything like that. And I like that because that just makes my life easier. I don't have to be worrying about too much cleanup later. So let me tell you something. For the longest, I couldn't figure out why anytime that I do my makeup, I find that this eye looks better than this eye. But then like one day I was paying attention and this eye is droopier than this eye. And I think that that's what is contributing to it. And that's all that I can say. And that's what I believe in. You can't tell me nothing different. So I want a little bit of pink. I want to bring down this like neon orangey pink situation that's going on my eyeballs right now. So I'm going to go in with this pink moon right here. Ooh. I'm going to tap that off. Ooh. Okay. Well, that's the dusty part, okay? And I'm going to apply this around that brightness that I just placed up on the eye, okay? This little tap, though. Just around, and I'm going to buff it, though. Like, I'm not patting. I'm literally going in what they call a buffing motion. Buffing? It's buffing motion. Circulars, whatever you want to call it. But that's what I'm doing, and I hope you can see it. And it's like blending, and it's so pretty. It's pretty. I can feel the hate right now through the camera from the people like, why is she putting on them bright colors? It's winter time. Where the browns at? No, shoot, that's not what we doing today. So I do want to add a little, well, not a little, but I do want to add a little shimmer to this look. So I'm going to use hibiscus and aura, or maybe one. Look for I don't know. We kind of just going with this. How about we just mix it? So I'm gonna dap into this a little bit, and then I'm gonna swipe into that. I like doing that, making my own colors. Some people don't like to mix their colors, but I was obviously that kid that mixed the Play-Doh all the time. People couldn't stand me, but it's okay. We're going to pop this on the lid. Let's see how this transfers without wetting the brush first, and then we'll try it with what it, if it doesn't pay off like we want it to, then we'll wet the brush a little bit. So let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it's okay. That's fine. It might be something that you also might want to use your finger for instead of wetting the brush. So let me try that. Just let me see. So I'm just going to take hibiscus instead, this orange one, and get some of that on my finger. So there it is. And then let's see. See, do you see? Totally different payoff. Sometimes you cannot use a brush, or like the brush is not what you want to use to apply certain things like all the time. And the shimmer is going onto my lid, but it's not like sticking in a way that I can see the sheen of it. And that's bothering me a little bit, because what's the purpose of having a metallic if you can't see the metallicity? Is that a word? Metallicity? I don't know. But no, you can't see, like, I can't see a color shift or a change in my lid. Like, I don't like it. I don't know how to describe it to you. I don't like it. So what I ended up doing, and if you can see like the pink shift in there now, is just adding a little bit of this Ace Beauty little mini component. It's their glitter shadow in Huckleberry. I got this in my BoxyCharm a couple of boxies back, and I just swiped it on top of that, on top of the colors that I had put on previously, and it showed up a lot better. And I like the way that it ended up creating like this pink orange effect. So this is what I'm going to go with on the other eye instead. It's still an Ace Beauty product. It's just one of their little individuals. So this is the LA Girls Shockwave Neon in color Screaming. Woo! It is screaming, baby. So I'm going to put this right along my waterline. Like, do you see that? Look at that color. Like, and I have green, they have purple and pink. They have like a whole lot of colors. And if you go to Ulta, they'll be on sale sometimes. Oh man, I'm telling you, if you're looking for a very pigmented eyeliner, this is her for you. And she is budget friendly. Budget friendly, and that's what we're all about on this channel, being budget friendly, because we ain't got no time to be spending all that good money. So I will tell you this, the wing is a doozy. Okay, she's a little hard for me to grasp, so I'm gonna do this off camera just like my eyebrows. So you're gonna give me just a couple of minutes to get these wings on, honey, and maybe I'll do a tutorial on like trying different wings, but I'm trying to learn one wing right now, so I don't know how I'm going to teach anybody how to do a wing. So give me just a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went just a little overboard. Not a lot, a little bit. But let's try one more color in this palette so that we can see about this highlight in this corner, in this inner corner, and then we'll wrap this whole look up in real life, and that'll be that, and then I'll be able to go do whatever it is that I'm supposed to do. So I'm going to go in with this Malibu color here, which is like a, what would I say? It's like a gold pink. It's really pretty. I think that it would finish off this look in the corner, yeah? So we're going to put that right there. And it has some, okay, with the little color. It has definitely has a little, and I really don't like too much highlight in my, my eyebrows. I don't need it to be blinding, blinging. So like, even if you guys can't only see a little bit of it, that's all that I need. Like, I just need a little bit of color in my corner, because usually the rest of my eye is really, really extra, as you can see, like it is right now. To also use the Big Ego from Tarte and the Too Faced Damn Girl. If you have not tried this, baby, Jackie Aina, literally the day that she posted the video about it, I went to the store after I finished watching it. Now you're wondering why I use two. I do not put false eyelashes on 99% of the time, and I think like probably more. So I like to stack my mascara so that my lashes are plump and full. So there we go. I got my little lashes. And then I'm just going to use the Tarte one at the bottom for my bottom lashes too. Okay. Why is it that when you put this on, you be in the mirror like this? Anyways, so I'm going to finish up on my lip, and I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss. If you have never used NYX Butter Gloss, I'm telling you, not only is it affordable, but it is the bomb. Okay, lips be just juicy, and they come in an array of colors. This one is tiramisu, and it's a nude pink, but their like #1 seller is usually one called gingerbread and praline. Oh my god, yes honey, yes honey. And then I'm gonna be following it up with the Too Faced lippy that I got in my December Boxy Luxe. It's called Crazy Rich. So let's put this on the lip. Okay, I'm cute or whatever. I'm cute. Hold on, wait a minute. Her is done or whatever, or whatever, or whatever. Okay, I can go out into the world knowing that I did something with myself, knowing that I'm not going out looking busted and crusted. Okay, when the girls see me outside in these streets, they're not gonna be like, oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. They're gonna be like, okay, she tried it. She did a little something with herself this morning when she woke up. Okay. But that is all. Like, I literally just wanted to just do a little look with y'all today right quick and record while I was doing it, and to update y'all on the little Jocelyn, on the little Joycelyn and little Arizal girl, on the little Joycelyn. I had to share that little video with y'all because, honey, it was something else, okay? But y'all already know, remember to always be unique. And if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you're subscribed, honey, okay? Make sure that you hit that good like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. I know it was kind of like all over the place and we really didn't talk about nothing, but I just wanted to do a little luck with y'all. And that's it, and that's all. And what y'all not gonna do is talk about me. So, anyways, remember to always be unique, you guys. And until next time, peace.